Are you looking for the best recipe for cooking perfectly crispy fish that's tender and flaky on the inside? Well, toss all those other recipes aside. You've just found the one you're looking for. This recipe uses just a few ingredients and no eggs. That's right, we won't be messing around with eggs today. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started. And I've got a little over a pound of cod here. Pat that dry. And it may take several paper towels. Cut that into finger size pieces or sandwich size pieces, whichever you prefer. We're doing cod fingers tonight. We'll leave this one here, this size, because that's just right for a sandwich. And then cutting those.
Heat oil to 350 to 375. Keep an eye on that. If the temperature is too low, your fish will be greasy. Too hot and the breading will burn before your fish is cooked.
Place fish in a paper towel lined dish. And you'll need 2 cups of flour, separated evenly into 2 separate dishes.
Three tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Add to that 3/4 cup of ice cold water plus 2 tablespoons.
And give that a good stir. Stir well until everything is incorporated. Add more water as needed. Okay, here we have our dry flour here. I added a little salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, black pepper to taste. We'll add some of that patted dry fish in there. Make sure all is evenly coated. And then this here is your wet flour ingredients. We'll coat those good.
Handling gently. If you're too rough, the flour will fall off the fish.
Drain off any excess and place it back in that dry
Casserole dish.
Evenly coat each piece before placing in the hot oil. Place evenly in your hot oil. Don't overcrowd them.
Cook evenly 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
And there you have it, folks. Perfectly crispy fish every time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe today. And watch these videos next.